In this video, we will be running descriptive statistics on both nominal, ordinal, and continuous variables. The first thing we'll do is get our descriptive statistics on our continuous variables. So we'll go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Frequencies. We're going to select our two continuous variables, run 1 and run 2. If you hold the Shift key, you can select them both simultaneously and move them over to the variables box. First, we're going to go to Statistics, and we're going to get the applicable descriptive statistics for our continuous variables. So under Central Tendency, we want mean, median, and mode. For our measures of dispersion, we want standard deviation, variance, and range. And then for our characterized posterior distribution, we want skewness and kurtosis. Click Continue, and then you're going to uncheck the Display Frequencies table box and click OK. We can now examine our output, and first we see that there are 29 participants with a run 1 and a run 2 score. Then we can see our mean, median, and mode are reported in rows 3, 4, and 5. Our standard deviation and variance are next, while range is listed at the bottom. Then we can see our measures of skewness and kurtosis for both run 1 and run 2. Next, we want to get our descriptive statistics for our ordinal and nominal variables. We'll go back to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Frequencies. We want to remove run 1 and run 2, and instead select our nominal and ordinal variables, sex and age category, and move them into our variables box. We'll then go to Statistics, and we'll uncheck the statistics that we do not need for ordinal and nominal variables, which is all of our measures of dispersion, central tendency, and characterized posterior distributions. Click Continue. You will get an error box. Just click OK. And then you want to check Display Frequency Tables. Now click OK, and you'll examine your output. The first thing is our sample size for those who listed a sex and an age category, and we can see that they're both 29. And then we have our two frequency tables. This is going to give you how many people identified as female and how many identified as male, and the percentages. So we can see that 48.3% of our participants were male. And in our age category down here, we can see that 58.6% of our population identified as under 40. And in age category, we can see that 58.6% of our sample identified as under 40 for their age category.